If you are over 60 and you have been feeling more tired than usual, waking up sluggish, noticing a stubborn belly that will not go away no matter what you try, seeing your energy fade in the afternoon, or simply worrying that decades of ordinary living may have quietly worn down your liver, I want you to listen very carefully. Because there are 4 simple foods that leading researchers now believe may help your liver do what it was beautifully designed to do: repair itself, rebuild damaged tissue, calm inflammation, and gently restore the strength of one of the most important organs in your body. And the most surprising part is this: your liver is one of the few organs capable of truly regenerating, even after decades of stress, as long as you give it the right support. Stay with me until the end, because the 4th food on this list is the one that surprises people the most. Most seniors have it in their kitchen, but they use it in a way that gives them almost none of its liver-supporting benefits. Understanding these 4 foods and how to bring them into your daily routine could gently change your energy, your digestion, your skin, your waistline, and the way your liver quietly serves you every day. Now, why does your liver deserve such special attention once you cross the age of 60? Here is the truth many people are never told. Your liver is the largest internal organ inside your body, sitting quietly on the right side of your upper belly, just under your ribs. It performs more than 500 essential jobs every single day. It filters your blood. It breaks down medications, hormones, and everyday toxins. It stores vitamins and minerals. It produces bile to digest fat. It regulates blood sugar. It builds proteins your body needs to heal wounds and fight infection. And it does all of this without ever complaining. But here's the part most people never hear. Your liver is remarkably patient and remarkably silent. It can lose up to 70% of its healthy tissue before you feel any obvious symptoms. That is why liver problems in older adults are so often called silent conditions. They build slowly, over decades, from things that seem completely ordinary. A little too much sugar, a little too much alcohol, years of processed foods, certain medications taken daily, extra weight around the middle, poor sleep, chronic stress. Add these together over a lifetime, and the liver can develop a condition called fatty liver, where fat begins to accumulate inside its cells. Left unchecked, fatty liver can progress to inflammation and eventually scarring, called fibrosis or cirrhosis. Think of your liver like a beautiful sponge. When it is clean and well cared for, it soaks up what it needs, wrings out what it does not, and works smoothly year after year. But when it becomes clogged with fat, sugar, and inflammation, the sponge becomes stiff, heavy, and slow. The good news is this: the liver has an almost miraculous ability to regenerate. Give it the right support, remove some of the daily burden, and it can begin to repair itself, even after years of quiet strain. And certain foods, eaten consistently, appear to be among its most powerful natural allies. Let us begin with the first food: leafy greens, especially spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, and collard greens. If your liver could choose its best friend in the vegetable world, it would very likely choose leafy greens. These humble plants are rich in chlorophyll, the deep green pigment that helps neutralize toxins in the body, and they contain natural sulfur compounds that support the liver's 2 main detoxification pathways, called Phase 1 and Phase 2. In simple words, leafy greens help your liver process and safely remove the waste products, medications, and everyday chemicals that pass through it every day. Leafy greens are also packed with folate, magnesium, vitamin K, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Research has linked higher vegetable intake, especially green vegetables, with lower rates of fatty liver and improved liver enzyme levels. And they are naturally low in calories, low in sugar, and gentle on blood sugar, which is deeply important because high blood sugar and insulin resistance are 2 of the biggest drivers of fatty liver in adults over 60. A daily serving of leafy greens is a beautiful gift to your liver. A large handful of spinach folded into scrambled eggs. A generous salad at lunch with olive oil and lemon. A side of sautéed kale with garlic. A small green smoothie in the morning. Any of these simple habits, repeated daily, can quietly shift the environment your liver lives in. The second food is fatty fish, especially salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish deliver something your liver truly craves: long-chain omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. Research has consistently shown that regular omega-3 intake can help reduce the buildup of fat inside the liver, lower liver enzyme levels, and calm inflammation in the liver tissue. In fact, several clinical studies have found meaningful improvements in fatty liver disease when people simply increase their intake of omega-3 rich fish over a period of months. Fatty fish also provides high-quality protein, which the liver needs to rebuild its own cells, along with vitamin D and selenium, both of which support healthy liver function. 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week is a lovely target. Choose wild-caught when possible, and prepare it simply baked, grilled, or gently pan-seared in a little olive oil. Sardines, in particular, are one of the most affordable and nutrient-dense foods on the shelf. A small tin on true whole-grain toast with a squeeze of lemon can be a beautiful, liver-friendly meal. Imagine a 68-year-old man named Arthur, whose blood work showed early signs of fatty liver. His doctor did not prescribe medication. Instead, he suggested a few gentle changes. Reduce sugary drinks. Add a daily walk. Include leafy greens most days. And eat salmon or sardines 2 or 3 times a week. Within 6 months, Arthur's liver enzymes had improved, his energy had returned, and his waistline had softened. Food was not the whole story, but it was a quiet, steady part of it. The third food is walnuts. If you were to pick one nut for your liver, walnuts deserve top consideration. Walnuts are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 that your body can partially convert into the same anti-inflammatory compounds found in fish oil. They are also rich in polyphenol, natural plant compounds that appear to help reduce oxidative stress in liver cells, and they contain the amino acid arginine, which supports the liver's ability to process ammonia, a waste product it must clear every day. Research has linked regular nut consumption with lower rates of fatty liver disease and improved liver function markers in older adults. Walnuts also gently support healthier cholesterol and blood sugar, both of which take pressure off the liver. A small daily handful, about 7 walnut halves, sprinkled on your morning oats, added to a salad, or eaten as a small afternoon snack, can become one of the kindest daily habits for your liver. Choose raw or dry roasted, and always unsalted when possible. And now we come to the fourth food, the one that surprises people the most. Beets. Yes, those deep red, earthy root vegetables that so many people walk past in the grocery store. Beets are one of the most powerful natural liver foods on earth, and their support works in several beautiful ways at once. Beets contain unique plant compounds called betalains, which give them their deep red color and act as strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatories in the body. Research suggests that betalains may help protect liver cells from oxidative damage and support the liver's natural detoxification pathways. Beets are also rich in natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that gently relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow to the liver and every other organ. And they contain a special compound called betaine, which has been studied for its ability to help reduce fat accumulation inside liver cells, one of the central problems in fatty liver disease. In addition, beets provide fiber, folate, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which support overall liver health. Here is the detail most people miss. Many seniors either avoid beets entirely, or they eat them only in the form of pickled beets loaded with sugar and vinegar, which can undo some of the benefits. The best way to enjoy beets for your liver is simple. Roast them whole in the oven with a little olive oil, then slice them into salads. Steam them and blend them into soups. Grate a small raw beet into a salad with lemon and olive oil. Or drink a small glass of beet juice mixed with water 2 or 3 times a week. If you take medications for blood pressure, please speak with your doctor first because beets can gently enhance their effects. So how should you bring these 4 foods together for the best liver support after 60? Think of them as a gentle daily rhythm, not a strict prescription. A simple sample day might look like this. In the morning, 2 eggs scrambled with a large handful of spinach, cooked gently in olive oil, alongside a small bowl of oats topped with a few walnuts. At lunch, a colorful salad with mixed greens, roasted beets, a piece of salmon or sardines, olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs. In the evening, a light meal with plenty of vegetables and a modest portion of lean protein. Drink water throughout the day. Enjoy your coffee or tea in reasonable amounts, and treat sugary drinks and alcohol as rare guests. There are also a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not fall for expensive liver detox powders, cleanses, or extreme fasts. Your liver already knows how to detoxify. Your job is not to force it. Your job is to stop overloading it and start gently supporting it. Another mistake is assuming that fried fish, sugary trail mixes with candied nuts, or beet-flavored candies are the same as the real foods themselves. They are not, and do not expect results in 1 or 2 weeks. Liver healing is slow, quiet, and steady. Real improvements in energy, blood work, and how you feel usually take 3 to 6 months of consistent kindness. There are also a few habits that quietly work against everything these foods are trying to do. Excess alcohol is one of the biggest. Even a few drinks a day, repeated over years, can be a serious burden for the aging liver. Sugary drinks are another major offender. Because the fructose in soda and sweetened juices is processed almost entirely in the liver, and excess amounts can be turned directly into fat inside its. Food is powerful, but it works best alongside good medical care, not instead of it. The key takeaway is simple. After 60, your liver does not need harsh cleanses, expensive detox kits, or dramatic fasts. It needs gentleness, patience, and steady daily support. Leafy greens for their natural detox support and antioxidants. Fatty fish for their powerful omega-3s that calm inflammation and reduce liver fat. Walnuts for their anti-inflammatory fats and liver-protective plant compounds. And beets, the humble root that quietly supports blood flow, detoxification, and the reduction of liver fat. Together, they form a simple, natural, affordable foundation that can help your liver do what it was designed to do: protect you, heal you, and carry you gracefully through the years ahead. If this message spoke to you, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 4 foods do you already enjoy? Have you noticed a difference in your energy, digestion, or waistline when you added them to your day? And where in the world are you watching from today? Your story might be exactly what another viewer needs to read. Take care of your liver. Honor the quiet, faithful work it does for you every single day. And remember, small daily choices, repeated with love and patience, are what truly shape a long, strong, and independent life.